Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Estrogen is required for the growth of ovaries at the time of puberty. In the absence of dihydrotestosterone due to 5-alpha reductase deficiency, this can result in formation of female a development of female external genitalia in males.
Estrogen is required for development of ovaries, but estrogen is not required for female external genitalia formation. Okay, then dihydroxytestosterone is required for male external genitalia formation. But if there is any deficiency of 5-alpha reductase, then this dihydroxytestosterone cannot form male external genitalia, and normally all the conceptors can the intrinsic ability of all the conceptors is to get converted into a female external genitalia. So as a result, in the absence of dihydroxytestosterone, the fetus directly develops the female external genitalia.
External genitalia can be differentiated by 14 weeks. The sex of the baby can be determined by ultrasonography by 14 weeks. Presence of testosterone in a female fetus during the intrauterine life may lead to the development of male external genitalia.
So testosterone, if it is present in female fetus, this will get converted to dihydroxytestosterone by the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, and this dihydroxytestosterone is responsible for the development of male external genitalia.
thank you and thank you for watching.